guesses what we are gonna do today? Well, I think you have some idea. Alright, let's see what's in here. Shopping Little for 3+ kids. These are the features. Let's have a look what we've got here. Here is some currency. This seems like a payment machine. Let's keep it aside. What do we have got here? Parts of a cart. Some interesting vegetables. And folding box. Let's get started. Let's begin with the cart. Here's the part. These are the wheels. Here's another part. And other parts to make the cart. Yeah. Another wheel. And this is the payment machine. Currency and a weighing scale. And cookies. Here's the weighing scale. It has slots here. Let's put it on the slots on the payment machine right here. And here it goes. Let's build the cart now. That's the grill. This is one side of the cart. And to make the container, we attach the white grill and the other side of the cart like this. This is the back part of the cart. Which goes right here. This goes in the front. Like this. There are holes here on all the 4 corners. Which goes right here. There's another grill here that goes right here. This tray goes right here in the slots on the sides of the cart. Makes it a shelf. Right here, look. Here too. Alright. Now we're gonna put the handle so that we can walk the cart. Here we go. And this piece goes right here in the front, where we're gonna put the wheels. Right here. Make sure it's steady. Now we're gonna put the wheels in these slots here, you see? Like this. Yay! Okay, the cart can move now on the wheels. We will do the same for the rear wheels too. You see the pipe here? It goes right in there. Make sure it's steady and still moving. Now, attach the wheels to the slot here. Like this. Clip it on. Similarly, the other one too. Yay! The wheels are moving. You can move the cart now. Alright, now to fill the cart, we have an unfolded card box here. Let's box it. Fold it well. It goes here. Yay! The box goes in the cart. Another box. Now you can start putting the vegetables in. Whatever you like. I like all the vegetables, do you? Yay! The cart is full. Alright, we picked up the shopping, but we need to pay for it. Here's the payment machine. We can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Here are the buttons to input the values. We take our shopping cart to the payment counter. First, we weigh the item and then scan it. That's how the machine knows how much it costs. Alright, we'll weigh it, scan it, and add the value in the machine. Another vegetable, we'll weigh it, scan, and add the value. We weigh another item, scan it, and add the value as well. Now the total needs to be paid. We have a bank card, we swipe it. Seems like it doesn't work, so we return it. Take another bank card and swipe it. Oh, the card is not working. So we get some money, paying in cash. Wow! We subtract the total from this money and return the change to the customer. Thank you. We put the shopping in the shopping cart again. We put all the items in there. Thank you for shopping today. Visit again. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Wowkidz, fun and learn. Fun and learn. Please subscribe to our channel today.